Nearly as thick as
What's up, guys? Joe Show here again, and casually thought I'd, so the lighting's horrible. It's horrible. Thought I'd do a quick vlog at Hoover Dam.
Behind the dam, you can see Lake Mead.
Say hi, Tom.
Hi, Tom.
Say hi, Tom.
Oh, hi. Ooh. Sounded like a girl there, Tom.
I know, I realise that.
It has a storage
Cool puberty. I'll hit it eventually.
9.2 trillion gallons
Wow,
of water.
I'm scared just to like even go anywhere near the edge. I hate it. It's horrible.
Oh, man.
Right, you're going over the edge. If I drop you, I'm sorry.
I'm scared of heights, Joe, but I'm man enough. You'll never know.
The body of water in front of the dam is called the tail bay, or tail race. But in reality, that's...
I can't do it anymore. I'm sorry. So yeah,
This is where the water
we're just at the
is
dam.
drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake.
Going for the tour soon.
Flows through the turbines,
It's the real deal.
flowing on
This place is amazing.
Views are breathtaking, are they not, Joe?
water comes out of the
Breathtaking.
average temperature of 53
Like kudos did I run up the stairs.
Yeah, breathtaking because we took the stairs up it. I took a lift. I learned.
Oh. Stunning views, mate.
At the base,
So, yeah.
you see two long buildings, one on each side of the canyon.
Have a little look around.
These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy that provides the funding for the operation and maintenance of this facility. This allows Hoover Dam to operate without the use of taxpayer dollars.
That's pretty
We are at Hoover Dam. We are epic. We are awesome.
Notice the roofs on both buildings appear to have
And
wires.
We're at Hoover Dam.
This is called
Hoover
a
Dam.
takeoff structure.
It's highly offensive to everyone here.
Not really.
From the
It offends me.
I was trying to blend in, yeah.
carry the electricity
It's not. It's too bright here, Joe.
I know, I can't.
Like a vampire melting.
And I'm just like, hey guys.
We can't see you right now, but we're sort of somewhere in the
We
screen.
hope you can see us. So yeah,
These are cantilever towers designed
it's chilly trying to get away with
Sunglasses.
canyon.
Tom.
In the sunlight, they turn into rainbows and whatnot. It's kind of crazy.
Now look down midway on the canyon.
That's
yeah.
the one thing I forgot to
And you
bring.
will see a
What's that?
rectangular
Sunglasses.
concrete
I got my sunglasses, but
And your dignity. You left that
This
at
is the
home.
valley.
I never had any dignity to start with.
right.
One on
Okay.
each side of the canyon.
See you later, guys.
Each building
Bye.
contains 98